From iPhone X true depth camera to triple rear camera setup in Huawei P20 Pro, mobile makers have been upgrading camera features to woo more and more customers. The latest to join the league is electronics giant LG. The company is reportedly developing its new flagship, tentatively called the LG V40, with 5 cameras. Yes, you heard it right, 5. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together.
When the waves come crashing in,
the new model is said to be boasting 3 rear cameras and 2 front cameras. Well, we got you back there, right? So, triple camera at the rear is not new, and the Huawei P20 Pro has already introduced it. Though unclear about the function and highlight of each camera on this device, the front cameras will not only allow face unlock but will also support 3D mapping of user's face. One of the rear cameras is said to include a wide lens. The other will come with LG's signature ultra-wide lens. However, there is no clarity on the purpose of the third sensor. Additionally, the smartphone could feature a notch display as reported by Android Police. Like the previous LG G7 Think, users will get an option to switch off the notch if they want to. As far as the design of the new LG V40 is concerned, it is said to resemble the design of the LG G7 Think. The LG V40 is expected to be powered by the latest from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 845 SoC. Just like the G7 Think. It is reported to have a dedicated Google Assistant button on the side panels along with the volume rocker and LG's quad DAC. The smartphone will support the fingerprint sensor on the back panel only and no fingerprint sensor in display, and there is no word out on the device price and availability as of now. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.